Kotomi. I am Rachel. I'm social media manager for 08 Liter USA. Okay guys, well, let's get started because I have a lot of products to talk about. And to start things off, I'm going to start with one of our Try Free campaigns, which is up right now. EUI Labs, Dr. Sammy B Rich Snail Concentrated Cream. It is like pure concentrated snail cream. So it's really high quality ingredients so that the products remain fresh for longer. You just open them one at a time. So it's the same product, but they keep them in smaller containers so that you can open one and then the other two remain fresh until you're ready to use them. It is 10 milliliters in each tube, so you're getting 30 milliliters total altogether. Because it is such a high quality product and a very expensive product, that's why we're doing it as a Try Free campaign. I'm going to test it out for you. It's like a yellow cream. It's like a white yellow cream. This is wonderful for anti-aging properties. So this is just gonna totally revitalize your skin. It's what the product claims is that it helps promote skin renewal, exfoliates your skin, and then also helps to get your skin cells to be recreating and give you revitalized skin tone. Go apply, and fingers crossed, hopefully you'll be able to try it out and review it for yourself. And the one that I am so excited about is we have a makeup cushion up right now. We have the Nakeup cushion, and this cushion is so nice. I'm actually wearing it right now. So if you like how my skin looks, this is what your skin can look like. Just look at this packaging. It's so pretty. This one is up right now on 08 Liter, so this is a Try Free. So go apply and fingers crossed you'll be selected. I believe there are 50 of these available. This is the one night cushion, and the great thing about this cushion is that it has really pure ingredients. It also has inside the formula, it has centella. It also has tea tree extract. So if you do have sensitive skin, this is a good cushion for you to try because it's really pure and it has like calming ingredients as well. So it won't irritate your skin. It feels so light. It comes in two colors. So unfortunately, K-Beauty cushions have not really expanded too much into the different color shades. They are trying to expand, especially when they sell their products in the United States. I have noticed that they have been expanding to some other shades, but in Korea, usually cushions only come in two shades. They have light, so like normally it's ivory, and then beige. So this is the beige, so I got like the second one. So there's ivory and then beige, and this one has a little bit more like kind of a yellow undertone to it, and I felt that it matched my skin a little bit better. So when you apply on 08 Liter, you can apply and you can select which one you would like, either ivory or beige. It's not super matte, but it's not overly oily either. The way that cushion foundations work is, and that's what I use to, sorry, the lighting is like really strange. Let me check so you guys can see a little bit. I'm like covering up my blush. It's not quite as bright. This is the lighting kind of reflecting off of it, but it does have more of like a dewy finish to it. Then I would suggest putting on a setting powder on top. This is a beige one. It's like the darker shade. Ivory is a little bit lighter. This is up right now on Try Free for 08 Liter. So go apply, be sure you apply, and we have 50 of these available for people to try for themselves. Okay, next up, what should I talk about? This one is the Moisturizing Skin Revitalizing Complex. And this is actually a new packaging for this. This one is actually really good for fine lines and wrinkles. And it's kind of a light cream. It's not super heavy. It's going to help to reduce the appearance of the fine lines. So they recommend putting it around like your lips, your eyes, maybe your forehead, and it rubs in really nicely. Atoplam is fantastic. It really does help to rebuild your skin barrier. So this one will be up on Friday, August 3rd at 8 p.m. So set your alarms. This is try now. So we have a limited quantity and you'll need to apply, and you can snag it for yourself for a trial fee of $3.99. Okay, more products to fight aging with anti-aging properties. We have Huitomi Mask Pack plus Sunscreen. So this is actually a really good set. You get mask packs plus sunscreen. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. This sun cream is really nice and lightweight, no white cast whatsoever. Even though it does have a white formula, it rubs in super, super fast. This is physical sunscreen. It's not a chemical sunscreen. So this is a physical sunscreen that has protection against UVA and UVB rays. It's also SPF 50, PA+++. So you get not only the sunscreen, but you also get the masks. I am sorry, I do not remember how many masks. I think it is 10, but I'm not positive. Sorry. They help with brightening and moisturization. It's going to be on Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time, so set your alarms. Okay, more products to talk about. Seriously, we have so many good products. I talked about a new brand. This is the Glow Hill. Look how shiny. Everything's so shiny today. Glam Gold Makeup Facial Mask. So this is actually a special face mask because it is meant to be used in the morning before you do your makeup. You can use this to act as a primer before you put on your makeup. This one will be up on August 5th at 4 p.m. So grab this before it's gone. When you look at the campaign, you'll see that there is another mask advertised. This one will not be on this campaign, but later on, this will be up on 08 Liter. As I said, this will be up on Sunday, and each person will receive 5 masks. Okay guys, so those are the main products I wanted to talk about. I don't have the sample in front of me, but as a reminder, Urang is also up on Friday, so set your alarms. It always goes so fast. Tomorrow we have the Urang True Rose Repair Essence. So Urang will be up on August 3rd at noon. Go apply for that. Set your alarm if you haven't tried it already. Oh, also, sorry. Side note, we're actually having a bit of an interesting afternoon this afternoon. Is any of our leaderites interested in comic books or Marvel movies, superhero movies? If so, we are actually going to Seoul Comic Con this afternoon. It is here in the building that we work. They're having Seoul Comic Con. So I will be going there to look around and make some videos for you guys to see what it's like to go to Comic Con in Seoul. So we'll be doing watch our Instagram stories for some highlights, and I will definitely be preparing some videos for our Instagram TV and YouTube channels. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful night. 안녕, bye bye.